Happy birthday, Anaya! Alam ko hindi pa ma-enjoy itong birthday mo kasi baby ka pa. Babawi kami sa 7th birthday mo. Ngayon, gatas muna. Got someone new that I'm hoping to show you today. And is it okay if we take a walk through the city? Don't really care if it's freezing, covered in snow, but you keep me warm as the sun. I wanna share my life with you, cause you're an angel in disguise. I swear I don't want any other, and I have wings when I'm with you, my love. And I wanna fly away with you out of the cityscape. Happy birthday, Anaya! Sky and I wanna fly away. Anaya, sana lumaki kang mabait, magalang, mahinhin, at higit sa lahat, may takot kay Lord, ha? My angel in the flesh, I'll part the clouds to make our bed. It's all
Anaya Bril has been recognized as a reward from the Lord. At sa hapong ito yung pagkakataon nating sama-samang magpasalamat at tumugon sa reward na ibinigay sa atin. But I can't live in the middle, afraid of it all.
Ayan. Ang birthday wish ko kay Anaya ay lumaki siyang mabait na bata at masunurin sa magulang and masayahing bata. Always remember, anak, na nandito lang kami ni Mami at Daddy. Lagi kaming naka-backup sa'yo. And sobra ka naming mahal. And angered by the storms, but I can see the flicker from underneath the door. I'm ready for Happy birthday, Anaya! Surrounded by the promises I know I have, where my heart can breathe. I can see now, I'm so close. I can i-dedicate ang bata sa Panginoon sapagkat siya ay gantimpala sa atin, mula sa atin.